There is some indicators that you come across in tradingview.com and they tend to be very accurate. So guys, in this video we're just going to talk about this indicator by Luxalgo called the range detector, and as the name suggests, you can see it majorly focuses on ranges. So it will plot ranges for you, but as a trader, what you're supposed to know, guys, these extended lines over here, they can work as your resistance and support level, because in future when price will come back to this level, it will react to it, and that's what if price breaks below this one and comes to this level, still it will react to that level. Even if you want to see this plotted on live market, you're supposed to know that the past events will make you make decisions on live market. That's what you're supposed to put in mind. And so guys, as a trader as well, we know how effective ranges market are, and I do tell you, we do have two types of ranges. We have a range market that is super close to each other, like these ones over here, and we have ranges that are far from each other, where we have higher and low super far from each other, like this one over here, where you're supposed to sell on high and buy at low. You understand me? And so guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how we can use this indicator effectively for us to really execute trades, because you know, for a market to trend, it comes from ranging. So you have to make sure that you understand, because that's the cycle of the market. Okay, so guys, I will show you how to add the indicator first. So to add it, you're just going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, under technicals, you're just going to type range detector Luxalgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart. It's super free indicator. And so guys, what you're supposed to understand about the description of this indicator over here, it aims to detect and highlight intervals where prices ranging. The extremities of ranges are highlighted in real time, with breakouts being indicated by the color changes of extremity. So guys, when you see maybe we are on red color, then it turns to green color, it shows you a breakout. And as well, if you see a green color, then it changes to red color as well, it shows you a breakout. So guys, we're just going to argue, or rather use this indicator according to how we know. So guys, you can see it is plotting this right on real time, and basically you need this for you to really execute trades. Sometimes when it comes to breakout, this indicator can fail to show you exactly what you need to see. But guys, it first of all highlights a ranging market. You understand me? A ranging market, here we have equal highs and equal lows. You will see price will come from this level up to this level, then it will rise, and we got a breakout at this level over here. The market rose, then there was a retest. You have to make sure price is not really closing below, but if price happens to break below it, it has to be rejected above it, and it really pushes to the upside. The same happens over here. We have a ranging market whereby, like here, this was a false breakout. How do you know this is a false breakout? We got this first candlestick pattern which proceeded to the upside, then we got the second candlestick pattern which closed below this range over here. It proceeded to the downside, there again it broke below it, and a retest as well was unable to break above this lower line, and it was indeed a really push. So guys, these levels are super effective. Even if you can look closely right here, you will come to realize on this level over here, when you extend this upper line, you will see price really reacted to it, and that's why it was really proceeding to the upside. Okay, so guys, we can look this on lower time frames as well, the 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame, and hopefully you guys can understand what I mean. So let's look this on that minutes time frame first. And this is 30 minutes time frame, and basically here we had a ranging market over here, and you can see this indicator changing in color. It can really create confusion. Even without waiting this indicator to change in color, you can really argue as a trader. So for instance, right here price broke above it. This was a false breakout. So this indicator doesn't show you a false breakout, but this red candlestick pattern, if you're careful, it closed below this line over here, then the second candlestick as well closed below, and it really proceeded to the downside. Still this happened over here, and you can see the market really broke above this line and this line, and it is indeed a push to the upside. That's what you're really supposed to argue with this indicator. Remember, these indicators, we can find some features are working and some features are failing to work. So what you're supposed to do, you have to really use the knowledge you have for you to reason as the indicator is plotting all this. Here we have ranges market over here, and in this case price broke above it. There was a retest which was unable to break below, and indeed the market rose to the upside. Okay, so guys, that is 30 minutes time frame. This is how you can take advantage of a ranging market. Ranges market like this, you don't trade them. Kindly don't trade them. What you're supposed to do is waiting to see where price will break to. So guys, let's look this on 15 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame, and I told you guys you're not supposed to trade a ranging market like this. All you really have to do is waiting to see where price will break up to. And so guys, a market like this over here, this was a false breakout because candlestick were unable to really proceed to the downside. Thus we got this momentum candlestick pattern which closed above the structure. Closing above the structure as well, this was a false breakout still. So these were fundamentals. That's why you can see such kind of a candlestick. Then we got this price breaking above this level over here, candlestick closing above, and it is indeed a push to the upside. So you have to really be patient enough to see what is happening on these levels over here. Number one, to avoid a false breakout, and number two, to execute trades, waiting to see where a candlestick will close it. If they break above, they must close above. If they break below, they should close below. So guys, as well, we're just going to look this on 5 minutes time frame. We see, but we have to make sure that all rules are completely met. So this is 5 minutes time frame as well. We got a range market over here which is actually extended. Being extended here again, guys, you got a false breakout, you can basically say. So guys, don't take trades when price is actually in between these ranges over here. You only take trades when these ranges are broken above or below. Okay, so for instance right here, this one news over here, but to those who don't know how to trade news, maybe you should avoid all this. But when price came to this range market, it proceeded to the downside. It was unable to break this lower line of a ranging market. Instead, it came to the upside. This candlestick closed above it, and the second candlestick still closed above it, and it really proceeded to the upside. And you can see it was indeed a very great push. So guys, these indicators are super effective. I won't lie to you, because even in future, if price happens to really rise, it will come back and it will react to this upper line and the lower line of this indicator. That's how effective it is. Okay, so guys, that's what I wanted to put across regarding this indicator by Luxalgo called range detector. Mind you, we have used the default settings and we're not really paying attention on changes in color because we understand this can fail us most of the times. So we are reasoning according to how we do understand the market. Okay, so guys, success and everything you do, continue working here, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Guys, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, like this video as well. And so guys, what do I say? Bye bye, see you in my next video.